We are making cream soup from a bag of chips. We are making cream soup from a bag of chips. Let's start by defining what a cream soup is. According to Cornelius and Christianti in their paper titled Utilization of Modified Starch from Avocado Seed in Cream Soup Production, yes, this is an actual scientific paper. Cream soup is basically a more viscous soup, usually due to the addition of starch in form of wheat flour, potato starch, or corn starch. So any starch should do. But how? To answer that, we need to make something called roux. Wikipedia says that it's flour and fat cooked together. This is our thickening agent to make our creamy cream soup. So we combine equal numbers of butter and regular flour, stir it for a couple of minutes, and here's my roux. I'll admit it didn't look like sauce, but it's because I do not put any water into it. But don't worry, it works perfectly fine as a thickening agent. Also, it's yellow because I actually use margarine instead of butter. Let's try making a chicken cream soup. We begin by heating equal parts of milk and water. I'm using powdered chicken stock, so I need to add water into my milk. Skip the water if you're using liquid chicken stock. I'm going to dilute 1 tablespoon of my roux with my milk mixture. I can't just dump it all in because, it would probably clump. I said probably because the flour is mixed with the fat, aka margarine. It shouldn't clump, because margarine would eventually melt and disperse, but yeah. Okay, let me do it off screen. There we go. Now dump it all back into the pot. I'm also going to add boiled potatoes and boiled chicken breast that I prepared beforehand. And here we have our thick and creamy chicken cream soup. Yeah, it's okay. Let's make another one. Mushroom cream soup. First, we saute some mushroom until they are about half the original size. Add some liquefied roux. Then we add some milk. Heat them up until they are thick. And here we have mushroom cream soup. It tastes bland. I didn't put any salt in it. But yeah, it tastes okay. Now here's a question. What are you gonna do with the rest of it? I mean, I can probably make something, but still. Yeah, I'm not going to have cream soup for the rest of the month. So we need another source of starch. And that's where this bag of chips comes in. We begin by crushing the chips into powder with a rock. Obviously, we are off with a good start. The results looks like this. I think I can go even finer with a food processor, but I don't have one. So rock it or forget it. The next part is the same. Some margarine and about half the entire bag of chips. I'll also add my milk directly into the roux. And there it is, in all of its mighty and viscous glory. Here we have our potato chips cream soup. Look at how thick this is. I didn't plan for this. Oh my god. I can taste the hint of the seaweed flavor. This is amazing. In conclusion, we know that we can make cream soup from potato chips. Just because we can doesn't mean that we should, but I think it's nice to know that we actually can. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe. I mean, I'm going to eat cream soup for the rest of the month, so please subscribe. Thank you.